Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have solved exercise number 2.3. Now we will solve exercise number 2.4, and first we solve examples for exercise number 2.4. And the first example is that use rules of exponents to simplify each expression and write the answer in terms of positive exponents. And the first part is x raised to power minus 2, x raised to power minus 3 and y raised to power 7 divided by x raised to power minus 3 and y raised to power 4. Okay. Now we will solve this expression and the answer will be in the positive exponent. Okay. So first we add these x and y, because we add power of x because the base is same. So we learn that if the base is same and any two variable are multiplied, then their powers will be add. Powers will be add because the base is same. Okay. So by using this rule, we can say that x raised to power minus 2 and plus minus 3 and y raised to power 7, because we cannot add x and y because these are the base is not same. Okay. That's why we write x raised to power minus 2 plus minus 3 and y multiplied by y raised to power 7. Okay. Now this is the x raised to power minus 3 and y raised to power 4. So it will be equals to x raised to power minus 5, y raised to power 7 divided by x raised to power minus 3 and y raised to power 4. Okay. So it can be equals to, here we can see that the base is same, x and x, but these are divide each other, so we can write it x raised to power minus 5 plus 3. Okay. Why we write plus 3? Because this is the minus. When the minus we put minus with this power, this minus will be in add. Okay. So here y raised to power 7 minus 4. So the answer will be equals to x raised to power minus 2 and y raised to power 3, because 7 minus 4 is 3 and minus 5 plus 3 is equals to minus 2. So we have no need to write plus here. If we are not write plus, this is the obvious that this is the plus sign. Okay. So the condition is that the answer in terms of positive exponent, but we can see that here the x, the power of x is negative. So we solve it. If the power of x is minus here, then it will be positive in denominator. Okay. So the answer is y raised to power 3 divided by x raised to power 2, and this is the answer of example 1. Okay. These examples are very simple. We only follow the rules which we already discussed. The second example is 4a cube b naught divided by 9a raised to power minus 5 whole power minus 2. Okay. Here first of all b naught, b power 0 is equals to 1, because we know that the power of any integer, positive integer or negative integer of 0 will be equals to 1. Okay. So we can write here 4 a cube b naught means 1 divided by 9 a raised to power minus 5 and whole power minus 2. Okay. It will be equals to, here we can see that the power is minus here, so the base is same and the numbers are divided, so we can write it 3 plus 5, 4 and 9 here. A multiplied by 1, the answer will be same, so it will be equals to 4 a power 8 divided by 9 a power minus 5 whole power minus 2. Okay. Sorry, here not right, only 9. So the answer will be in positive exponent, so we can write this 9 divided by 4 a power whole power 8 2, because when 4 by 9 whole power minus 2, it means that 4 raised to power minus 2 and 9 raised to power minus 2. It means that if we write 1 by 4, then 2 will be positive, and if we write 1 over 1 by 9 raised to power minus 2, it will be equals to, sorry, positive. Okay, it will be positive. That's why we write 9 by 4 a power 8 and whole power square. Okay, this is the answer in positive exponent. The second example is also solved. Now we move toward the next example, and the next example is second example is simplify the following by using laws of indices. Okay, and the first part is 8 over 125 whole power minus 4 by 3. Okay, so we solve this. Using law of indices, we have 8 divided by 125 whole power minus 4 by 3, and it will be equals to 125 divided by 8 whole power 4 by 3. Okay, because when we change denominator in numerator, the power will be positive. So we can separate these power, 125 whole power 4 by 3 and 8 raised to power 4 by 3, and it will be equals to, we know that 125 is 5 raised to power 3 and here 4 by 3, and the 8 is 2 raised to power 3 whole power 4 by 3. So this power will be cancelled and it will be equals to 5 whole power 4 and 2 raised to power 4, and it will be equals to 625, and 2 raised to power 4 is 16, and this is the answer. Okay. Simplify the following by using the indices, and we only uses these indices to solve the example. Okay. And the next part is the second part is 4 into 3 raised to power n over 3 raised to power n plus 1 minus 3 raised to power n. Okay. So using laws of indices, four into 3 raised to power n over 3 raised to power n plus 1 minus 3 raised to power n, it will be equals to 4 into 3 raised to power n. We can take common 3n. Okay, here 3 minus 1, it will be equal, because 3n plus 1 means 3n multiplied by 3. Okay, when we common 3n and 3n from here the remaining is 3 and here the remaining part is 1. So that's why we write 3 minus 1. It becomes 4 into 3 raised to power n and 3 raised to power n into 2. Okay, 3 raised to power n, 3 raised to power n will be cancelled. Here 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So it will be equals to 2. This is the answer. Okay, this is the solution of example number 2, and here the examples are solved, and now inshallah we will solve the exercise number 2.4 in our next video. So follow these indices to solve these examples, because these indices will be used in the exercise. Okay, so inshallah we will solve exercise number 2.4 in our next video. Allah Hafiz.